Have you ever wondered how cryptocurrency and blockchain technology work? Well, let's begin by understanding cryptocurrency. In its simplest form, cryptocurrency is digital money. But unlike the digital transactions that we're used to with our banks, cryptocurrency operates independently of a central bank. This decentralized nature of cryptocurrency is what sets it apart from traditional financial systems. Now, you might have heard of Bitcoin. It's the first and most popular cryptocurrency out there, conceived in the year 2008. Bitcoin introduced to the world a new kind of financial system, one that is powered by complex algorithms and cryptography, hence the name cryptocurrency. So, how does this all work? The secret lies in the technology behind it, known as blockchain. Imagine a ledger, a book of records if you will. But instead of being kept in one place, this ledger is distributed across a network of computers, or nodes. Now each time a transaction occurs, it is recorded on this ledger, forming a block of information. This block is then added to a chain of previous transactions, forming the blockchain. But wait, how can we trust this system? Well, the beauty of blockchain technology lies in its security and transparency. Each block of information is secured through complex mathematical problems that are solved by powerful computers in the network. Once a block is added to the chain, it is almost impossible to alter. This ensures the integrity of the data and makes the system highly resistant to fraud. Moreover, the entire process is transparent. Anyone can view the transactions on the blockchain, providing a level of transparency that traditional financial systems simply cannot match. And yet the system maintains user anonymity, as transactions are linked to digital addresses, not personal identities. So in essence, a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin is a form of digital money powered by a technology called blockchain. But what exactly is this blockchain technology? Well, let's dive right in. Picture a vast interconnected web of computers, known as nodes, all working together. Each one of these nodes shares access to a distributed database. This is the essence of a blockchain, a shared ledger that records transactions across many computers. Now, why is this important? Well, it's all about security and decentralization. In traditional systems, if a single central point fails, the entire system can collapse. But with blockchain, information is stored across a network of computers. This means that even if one computer fails, the data is safe and secure on the rest of the network. But that's not all. This technology ensures data immutability. What does that mean? Simply put, once a piece of information is added to the blockchain, it can't be changed. This makes it a reliable and trustworthy source of information, a crucial aspect when dealing with financial transactions. And here's the exciting part. Blockchain technology has expanded beyond just cryptocurrencies. It's now being used in decentralized finance, often abbreviated as DeFi, which aims to use blockchain to replace traditional financial intermediaries. It's also being used in the world of NFTs or non-fungible tokens, which are unique digital assets stored on the blockchain. And it doesn't stop there. Smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code, are also powered by blockchain technology. Blockchain technology, therefore, is the backbone of cryptocurrencies, ensuring secure, transparent, and decentralized transactions. Not only has it revolutionized the world of finance, but it's also paving the way for exciting new developments in various other industries. Isn't it fascinating how a concept that was first conceived in 1991 has evolved into a technology that's changing the world as we know it? Now, you might be wondering, how are transactions verified in this system? Well, it's a fascinating blend of technology and a bit of a race. Let's break it down. In the world of blockchain, the verification of transactions is a critical process. It all starts when someone initiates a transaction. This could be anything from sending Bitcoin to buying a digital cat with Ether. This transaction is then broadcasted to a network of computers known as nodes. Now, here's where the magic happens. These nodes have a very special job. They use what's called encryption algorithms to validate the transaction. In simple terms, they're solving complex mathematical problems to prove the transaction is legit. This might sound like a tough job, but these nodes, or miners as we often call them, are pretty swift. But why would they do this? What's in it for them? Well, the answer is incentives. The first miner to solve the problem and validate the transaction gets rewarded with a bit of cryptocurrency. It's like a digital gold rush. Once the transaction is verified, it's grouped with other verified transactions into a block. This block is then added to the blockchain, a public ledger that's shared across the entire network. It's a bit like adding a new page to a ledger book, but this book is shared with everyone and is pretty much tamper-proof. The beauty of this system is its transparency. Anyone can view the transactions in the blockchain, yet the identities of the people involved remain hidden. It's transparent, yet private. So whether you're buying a virtual real estate or just sending some Bitcoin to a friend, you can rest assured. The complex process of transaction verification in the blockchain is working tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring that your digital currency is safe, secure, and properly accounted for. This is how transactions are verified in the blockchain, ensuring the integrity of the digital currency. The key to understanding the power of cryptocurrencies lies in the concept of decentralization. Decentralization, in essence, is the dispersion of functions, powers, people, or things away from a central location or authority. In the context of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, it means the network operates on a user-to-user or peer-to-peer basis. The participants in the network hold the power, not a central authority like a bank or government. This decentralization offers several advantages over traditional financial systems. The first is security. Cryptocurrencies use cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. This makes them incredibly secure and virtually impervious to fraud. The second is transparency. Every transaction made on a blockchain is visible to all participants in the network, creating a level of transparency that's unheard of in traditional financial systems. This transparency also contributes to the efficiency of cryptocurrencies. Transactions can be completed quickly, without the need for intermediaries, and can be traced back with ease. However, like all systems, decentralization isn't without its potential risks. One such risk is a so-called 51% attack. In this scenario, if a user or group of users were to control more than half of the network's mining power, they could potentially disrupt the network by halting new transactions or reversing completed ones. It's a risk inherent to the system, but one that's mitigated by the size and diversity of most cryptocurrency networks. Decentralization is therefore the cornerstone of cryptocurrency's innovative potential. It's what allows them to be secure, transparent, and efficient. It's what differentiates them from traditional currencies and what makes them such an exciting prospect for the future. Decentralization, therefore, is what gives cryptocurrencies their unique advantage, making them a potential game changer in the world of finance. So, where are cryptocurrency and blockchain technology heading? We're standing at the precipice of a new era, one where blockchain and cryptocurrency could revolutionize the way we interact with the world around us. This technology isn't just about finance anymore. It's seeping into various industries, reshaping them from within. Imagine a world where artists can sell their masterpieces directly to art lovers, bypassing galleries and art dealers through non-fungible tokens or NFTs, all thanks to blockchain. Or a world where you can track the journey of your coffee beans from the farmer to your cup, ensuring fair trade and sustainability, all transparently recorded on a blockchain. But this future isn't without its challenges. As the technology evolves, so do the hurdles we need to overcome. Security is a major concern. While the blockchain itself is secure, vulnerabilities in the code can be exploited. The threat of 51% attacks, where a group of miners control more than half of the network's mining power, is a looming challenge. Moreover, there's the question of scalability. As more people embrace blockchain and cryptocurrencies, can these networks handle the increasing volume of transactions without slowing down or becoming prohibitively expensive? Then there's the issue of regulation. How will governments around the world adapt their laws and regulations to this new technology to protect consumers while still fostering innovation? These challenges highlight the importance of continuous learning and adaptation. As we move forward, developers, miners, users, and regulators alike will need to keep up with the rapid pace of innovation to ensure that the benefits of blockchain and cryptocurrencies are maximized while the risks are minimized. The future of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology holds immense potential, and it's a fascinating journey that we are all part of.